So let us have a look in brief at Raja Roy. He was born in 1909. Raja Roy was born in a South Indian Brahmin family. He lived in Mysore. Professor Dickinson inspired Raja Roy to French language and literature. He lived in France from 1928 to 1939, and Raja Roy he returned to India on the outbreak of World War II in 1940. Later he again went to France in 1946 and lived there till 1956. There he married in France. In France, Raja Roy he married an American actress named Catherine. The very first novel of Raja Roy was Kantapura, and it was also very famous at that time. It was written in France, and on his return to India in 1940, then he went to Banaras in search of a guru. It was in 1950 that he visited the USA for the first time, and he was highly fascinated by American culture and way of American life. Later he settled in America and he started to deliver his lecture on the Indian philosophy. Then Raja Roy he won the Sahitya Academy Award. He won the Sahitya Academy Award for his second novel, The Serpent and the Rope. The very first novel of Raja Roy was Kantapura, and the second novel was The Serpent and the Rope. And he was awarded the Padma Bhushan also by the government of India. Now the most important works of Raja Roy are the very first, as I have told you, Kantapura, the very first novel of Raja Roy. It was a novel and it was published in 1938. The second one, it was also a novel, it was published in 1960, and the name of that novel was The Serpent and the Rope. The third one, The Cow of the Barricades and Other Stories. The Cow of the Barricades and Other Stories, and it was published in 1947. The next novel was very popular. It got a lot of popularity at that time. In 1965 it was published, and it is also a novel, The Cat and Shakespeare. The last one, The Policeman and the Rose and Other Stories, and it was published in 1978. So all these are the important works written by Raja Roy. Kantapura, The Serpent and the Rope, The Cow of the Barricades and Other